So today kita orang nak buat the poison candy game challenge. Siapa nak go first? Do you want to go first?
Sure.
Okay, adik go first, daddy go second, I go third, okay?
Okay.
Okay, wait.
Close
Close
there.
Kita orang kena tutup mata dulu. Adik choose the poison. Okay, tutup mata. Daddy jangan buka.
Okay.
I'm gonna look at you, daddy. Tutup tutup mata.
Dah.
Okay, adik
Pilih
faster.
cepat.
Adik faster. Dah.
Okay.
Okay, daddy go second.
Ha?
Adik tutup mata. Daddy go second, daddy pilih the poison.
Kau pilih sama dengan adik je ni.
Tak apa.
Okay. Dah. Allah kau.
Okay,
Jadi
guard.
kena ingat tau.
Ingat tau kat mana? Okay, tutup mata. Tutup mata. Okay. Adik! Lagi sekali sebab adik buka mata. Daddy,
Apa punishment dia sekarang?
kena mati.
Ha?
Kena mati. Daddy tutup mata.
Kena apa?
Tutup mata.
Kena apa?
Mati.
Mati.
Ya. Daddy tutup mata. Adik pun tutup. Akan tak percaya adik. Cari dia tutup. Okey ni. Dah. Okey. Dah. Okey. Adik pilih makan satu. Daddy safe or not? Safe or not yang adik makan tadi?
Ha? No?
Daddy pilih yang adik makan tadi tu poison.
No.
Okey. Okey, adik safe. Daddy go second. Pilih.
Adik, makan untuk daddy.
Yang mana?
Sekejap. Hak ni.
Okay, safe. I'm scared.
Adik, last sekali adik kenyang.
Okay, now my turn. You.
Okay.
Okay. Adik next. Apa poison? Poison ke? Okay. Daddy. Okay, Daddy next. Pilih.
Yang penting aku dah masuk bola, aku keluar balik. Makan je lah.
Daddy pilih.
Apa?
Pilih.
Ni. Adik. Ha.
No, safe. Poison ke?
Kamu dah know.
No. Daddy pilih ni poison ke?
What should I tell you?
Daddy, anda pilih. So is this the poison you choose? Okay, tadi tercut off. I tak mati. I'm safe. I'm safe. Okay, adik go.
I'm looking at that face.
No, he's gonna be nonchalant. Safe or no, Daddy?
Safe.
Okay, safe. Daddy choose.
Ni.
Safe. Okay, Ain. Alamak.
Mati.
Daddy, you have to choose. No! I die first! Papa is looking at you like, shut the fuck up, bitch. Okay, saya dah mati, guys. Okay, adik go. Mana boleh ni? So it's between you and me.
No. Between her and...
Tapi poison Daddy dah habis.
So it's your poison.
Okay, Daddy take my poison, okay. But Daddy don't know my poison.
Yeah, that's why he has to choose.
Okay, Daddy choose.
Ha.
Go, Daddy, go.
Ni.
I also choose that one.
What?
You die. Daddy, you double kill. You double kill, Daddy. You double die.
Shut up, humans.
Okay, so basically me and Daddy die. So
Orang menang.
only adik survive
I'm not
surprisingly.
dying.
You dead.
No.
But because Daddy tak makan eh.
Uh-uh.